Okay, we're gonna do a Y. What is a Y symmetrical, vertically or horizontally?
It's what that mean? Like, what you mean?
Is it symmetrical?
Yeah.
Okay, does the line go vertically
No, it go
or horizontally?
go vertically.
Vertically. So I'm gonna fold this like a hot dog or a hamburger?
Hot dog.
Exactly. So I'm gonna fold it like a hot dog. Now when I'm setting my when I'm setting my exterior edge, where should I start? Should I start at the top or should I start at the bottom? The Y's are kind of hard to tell. Top, you think? Okay. So I'm gonna take out what shape am I cutting out of the top? A V, which is what shape? A V's a letter. What's the shape?
V shape. What?
Like a three-sided shape. What's that called? Triangle. Very good. Okay, so we're getting our math vocabulary in here, right? So if I open this up, do I look like I can still get a Y from it? Yeah. So I'm gonna close this back up, and then this is the trickier part. But I'm gonna stay an equal distance away from that edge that I cut, okay, and then come down. And then I'm gonna come to about where I think I should be to make my horizontal. Or not horizontal, geez, vertical, right? So right now what I want is a diagonal, right? So I have two diagonals on top of my vertical, right? I want all these to be the same width. And how do we feel about this Y? Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
I feel like it might be a little low, but it's not terrible. Like I feel like the V of my Y sits a little low. Yeah. So what will end up happening right now if I was doing my stuff is I would cut out like 4 or 5 of these and then be like, okay, this one looks the best. You see what I'm saying? But the other thing I can do is, so if I wanted to make this a little shorter, I can totally use this to help me make things just a little bit shorter too. So if I did it this way, and I don't want it to go that deep, so what I would do is I would just adjust my diagonals that way. Open it up, it might be better. Still stay in an equal distance away from the exterior edge. And I'm watching this exterior here. I'm watching that edge because I want to stay an equal distance away from it. And then I come down here and cut my vertical. Now sometimes my vertical is going to be slightly wider than I'd like it to be because it's doubled up, so I have to cut it half size. So sometimes this one looks okay. So sometimes I would go back in there and I would trim that up a little bit. So anything that's folded has to be half size.